Hi, so today I had just gotten our brand new tankless water heater. I got this to install in our home because we got a smaller family, so we don't need our big tanked water heater anymore. And unlike those, these require virtually no maintenance once they're installed. This one comes with its own smokestack that will allow the vapors of the natural gas to exit the house without harming you. These simply just run on a normal plug that you can plug in, so there's no need to run a new wire or anything. You can just plug it into an ordinary outlet. Like I said, this is for our smaller home, so it pumps out about 3.8 gallons a minute at 80,000 BTU, which makes your water hot and it gets to your spouts instantly, which is nice. Unlike the tanked water heaters where it can run out, this one will not. It is easy to install. It even comes with this big sheet of paper that you can even see on it. Has the markings that line up with each of the spots on there. So all you have to do is put that against the wall and mark those spots and you're all set to go. Like I said, this is suitable for a smaller area, so maybe if you have a she shed that you want water in or a boathouse that you want water in, you can easily install this in there without any help and make it useful for yourself. Like I said, all the stuff it comes with is so you don't need to have anybody else come and install it for you. And with that, it has this nice big manual here that you can flip through, and it tells you everything you need to know about your tankless water heater. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.